Welcome back, everyone. You may have forgotten your Snapchat password, and it's totally okay. There are a few ways to recover it. Now, the first thing, if you forgot it and you actually want to go ahead and just kind of recover it, what you can always do is you can click login, you can click on forgot your password, and all it's going to do is it's going to go ahead and you can access it via phone number or via email, and they will go ahead and send you a new prompt. So that's that. If you don't even remember the password and you have an Android or another device that you can't really do anything else on, or if the next method I'm not going to show you is applicable, then this is really the only other option you have. Now, let's say you have your iPhone that you typically use on an everyday basis, and you want to go ahead and see if you can see that original password on your iPhone. Well, to do this, what you can do, and you may be able to do this on Androids too if you have some sort of password manager, you want to go ahead and make your way over to your settings application or your password manager on Android. You want to scroll down until you find a little option that says passwords. So here's that little prompt. All you have to do is go and click on passwords, and you'll come here. Now, it'll go ahead and show you a couple of different things. And down here, if you click on autofill passwords, it could tell you a couple of different options right here that are via online methods. However, you want to look right here. There should be a bunch of different applications that are here if you have your specific passcode, passwords little option here enabled. On my device, I don't even think I had to enable anything. Probably it came by default. And that was pretty much it. All I had to do is on your personal phone, scroll down, click on the passcode, and then you'll be able to see the passcode that way. Now, if you're using a friend's phone, it's not going to work because you're going to have to type in the passcode or Face ID. So there's really no way to circumvent that. But if your, personal phone is having this issue, then all you have to do is scroll down, find that specific account, click on it, and you should be able to see the password right there. So that's pretty much the process to do that. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.